Well, good afternoon, Xander. Did you have a good nappy? Did you have a good nappy? You have all this energy now? Huh? Lots of energy? So very quiet. Much better than the screaming and crying you were doing. You must have had a good nap. You must have had a good nap. Yeah. You're so big. Look how big you're getting. Whoa. So big. You're so big. I'm 8 weeks old now. I'm such a big boy. Yeah, such a big boy. Ooh. What are your legs doing down there? Are you dancing? Dancing and boxing. Hmm? Moving those legs. Look at those feet go. Woo! Okay. See you later.